Let's review how to convert decimals to common fractions. When you're converting a decimal, you take the number after the decimal and it becomes the new numerator of our fraction. The second step is to create a denominator. The denominator always starts with the number 1 followed by zeros. The number of zeros that it's going to be followed by is dictated by the number of places taken up by our original fraction. So in this case, the number 2 holds 1 place. So we're going to put 1 0 there. So for example, this 0.5 takes 1 place, so it gets 1 0. In this example, 0.52, then there's 2 numbers after the decimal point, so we have 2 zeros. In this one, 3 numbers after the decimal point, so 3 zeros. And in 0.5234, there are 4 places after the decimal point, so 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So back to our problem, the fraction ends up being 2 over 10, and we know we can simplify 2 over 10 to 1/5. So 0.2, the equivalent of 0.2 is 1/5. Let's try the second one down here. So we take the number after the decimal point, and it becomes the new numerator of our fraction. The second step is to create the denominator. We do that by creating a number 1, but since there are 2 numbers after the decimal point in this fraction, we're going to put 2 zeros. All right, so our new fraction is 25 over 100, and we'd always want to simplify that, and 25 goes into 25 once, 25 goes into 100 4 times. So 0.25 is equal to 1/4. Let's try a few more. Sometimes you have to convert a decimal that's actually is a whole number as well, 1.5 in this case. Well, remember, we're converting decimals to common fractions. So we really aren't concerned with the whole number in front of the decimal point, to the left of the decimal point. We just put that in front of our fraction. We're really creating a mixed number. And then the 5 goes to the top of our fraction. It becomes our numerator. And then how many placeholders do we need? We have 1 place, so we're going to put 1 0. So 1 5/10 is equal to 1.5 or 1 1/2. So 1.5 is equal to 1 1/2. Let's try one more with this fraction. Right. The number is 7.25, so 7 becomes the whole number. The 275 becomes the numerator of our fraction. The denominator starts with a 1 and 3 zeros. So 7 and 275 over 1,000, which we would simplify